Just another reaction.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Say, how are you?
How are you? Welcome back to our channel.
Good morning, everyone. Come on now.
Me and Mom fixed up, everyone.
We dressed up. I'm getting ready to go to work. Noon is getting ready to go to school. And today is December the 5th at 8:21. And we're in a rush. So let's go. Because I have a client at 10 o'clock. So I'll call y'all back when I'm dropping Noon off.
Bye, guys.
Say bye.
Bye, guys.
Hey y'all, so I've made it into my suite. I had 2 clients today, so stay tuned.
I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bored with myself, can you come and fuck me? I feel so ordinary, still when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my plug. And I can't shake this habit, no. I've been up, baby. Every reminiscing, every young missing you. Wish it was different than what it was. I've been up, baby. Lost in the universe. Lost in no finding us. I've been up, baby. And if you wonder if I hate you, city of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wanted if I hate you, fuck you. City of you to make me feel just like this.
Okay, hey y'all. I just wanted to check back in. So I just finished my clients. I'm now sitting outside of Chick-fil-A and I'm eating because I was freaking starving. On top of, I just didn't feel like sharing my food with Noon. My moms know. If you a mom, drop in the freaking comments and tell me that you won't be sneaking off eating food without your kid. Go ahead and tell that lie. But anywho, so I just finished. I only had 2 clients today because today's Monday and it's typically my off day, but today's the day that I pick up Nova from school. So I just wanted to make some money because it's been slow. And entrepreneurs, y'all know how this go. Like, sometimes you be booming, 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 booming. But I'm going to be truthful and transparent. It's been slow for me. Like, it seemed like October, November, December gets slow. I'm not busy until the ending of December, like going into the new year. I don't know what's going on, but it's always like that for me. But I'm usually busy all throughout the rest of the year. I don't know what that's about. I'm gonna figure it out. I have some other things up my sleeve that I could be working on to like try to make more money. But yeah, I just wanted to check in and talk to y'all. I actually really miss being on YouTube. But y'all, I've been like extremely sad. It's like I said, I told y'all that I lost my grandma. And ever since then, like, my days are really up and down. And I know I keep on saying, like, I'm going to be consistent. I'm going to be consistent. I'm going to be consistent. But life happens. Like, real life happens. And I'm doing the best way that I know how. I'm not a robot. I have real feelings. And I'm processing and grieving and doing things the best way that I know how, as far as running my business and being a mother. Dang it, my freaking battery is about to die. I'm gonna have to call y'all back. Oh, I'm so pissed. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know I did not vlog this morning to start the morning off, but it don't matter, we're here. And it's technically still morning. It's just 11:40 and today is December the 6th. And this will be a part of my maintenance. I'm on my way to get a wax. And I was scheduled at 11:30, but Tyler said that I could come 10 minutes late because I had a crazy morning, which was why I did not vlog. So, yeah, I'm on my way there now. I can't remember if she's on the 5th floor or the 4th. Let me check. I think she's on the 5th. Okay, yeah, let me call y'all right back. Here's my baby. Hi. Alright, y'all, so I'm inside of, well, I'm not inside of, I'm actually walking into the nail salon. I got my wax. Now I'm about to get a pedicure and get my feet done. Why is my camera so dark? Hi. Pedicure. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so I'm back in the house from picking Nova up from school.
I'm back in the house, and my mommy picked me up from daycare.
From daycare? Okay.
Okay, and Sunday she got glasses, and I have fun at school, but I have a surprise for her. But it's so big, cute. It's surprised. It's her birthday. We're gonna be here today. Oh, I fixed it. So mommy's already here.
Okay, girl, can you back up? Alright, y'all, so I wanted these glasses or whatever. And the original glasses, let's look them up. Let's pull it up.
Let's pull up, guys. Go.
Back up, new.
Everything today.
Can you back up?
It's everybody today.
Nova, back up. These glasses, I don't know how to pronounce the brand, but they're originally priced, the designer ones are $360. And I just wasn't willing to spend that because it's a trendy piece. Nova! Because it's such a trendy piece, I didn't want to spend that. But it's called Loewe. Loewe, I guess. I don't know. But I got these. Can y'all see that? Okay, so I ordered the dupes that I found that y'all could shop inside of my Amazon storefront. I ordered the dupes. So, these cost me on Amazon, I think like $12, something like that. Baby, they look the exact same. Who's spending $360 for a trendy eyeglass that I'm not going to probably wear next year? Not me.
Not me.
Ooh. 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 Not me. Not me. Give me a kissy.
Yeah, hey day, guys.
Say what's up.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Guys, what are you doing here? We take a TikTok, man.
We did not make a TikTok. Hey y'all. Ow. Today is December the 7th at 12:44. period. I just pulled up to my best friend's shop. If you're in the DMV area, book at GlamU for all of your luxury hair needs, period. Yeah, I'm about to get my hair washed and trimmed, and I'm about to get me a bust down middle part with the freaking 18-20-22, period. That's it. I wonder if she's in here already, but even if she's not, I don't care. I'm about to go sit in her shop. So yeah, come with me while I get my hair done, and I'll call y'all back.
I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bored with myself, can you come and fuck me? I feel so ordinary, step and you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts, I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been up, baby. Every reminiscing, every young missing you. Wish it was different than what it was. I've been up, baby. Lost in the universe. Lost in no finding us. I've been up, baby. And if you wonder if I hate you, city of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this.
Yeah, I need my hair to be back right. Let me take this cape off. Heard.